In Finland, we have lots of archipelago and islands, and our airboats are always been used since the 30s to transport people in the islands. And later, also private people that have summer houses wanted to come out to their summer houses during the winter. So we started to build airboats for winter use.
Using the Florida-type aluminum airboats as a source of inspiration, Henrik started to develop a completely new type of airboats which would be better suited for the harsh conditions of the Nordic winters and which would be able to drive on both snow, ice and on water. The solution to this challenge Henrik found in a completely new type of hull shape for airboats, which bears more resemblance to a rib than to the flat-bottom Florida-type airboat, and through the use of a novel material for boat building, namely polyethylene. Polyethylene is the most common polymer material in the world. It is recyclable, chemically stable, non-toxic and environmentally sound. In addition to this, polyethylene is very durable and requires literally no maintenance. Hence it is the perfect material for building vessels intended for heavy duty and professional use. The Arctic airboats range consists of two models, the smaller PE-70 and the brand new PE-450. The PE-70 is used for both private transportation to summer houses during the winter and for rescue operations by fire brigades and other professionals. Thanks to its lightweight and relatively small size, the PE-70 is very easy to transport and quick to deploy, ideal for speedy rescue operations. The PE-450 search and rescue airboat bears in some ways resemblance to a rubber inflatable boat with regards to the hull shape, which means that it's traveling very well on water and on ice alike. The cabin itself is suspended from the hull with shock absorbers, which enables it to give a smooth ride on the bumpy ice. The cabin is also heated, which means in harsh conditions you can even drive with the door open. And the cabin is also able to be customized according to the owner's needs and wishes, either to seat up to 7 persons or to have a big loading space. PE-450 Search and Rescue is a new model for us and is scheduled to be launched later in autumn 2015. Based on the extensive experience gathered from building over 20 airboats in high molecular weight polyethylene, we have developed a new range of rigid inflatable boats, RBBs, that although from a distance may look very much like normal ribs, but are in fact very much different. The Panther RBBs have the same excellent seakeeping properties as the ribs, but with clear advantages by having superior scratch and cut resistance. Building the boats out of polyethylene also enables us to fill the pontoons and the cavities under the deck sole with airbags, making the Panther boats literally unsinkable. The Panther boats range consists of two models, the Panther 16 and the Panther 22. The Panther 16 has been developed to act as a rescue/lifeboat or as a small workboat or support boat for a larger vessel. Thanks to its durable polyethylene construction, It is optimal for operation in conditions exposing the boat to wear and tear and with risk for sharp impacts like rocks and reefs, etc. The Panther 22 can either be used as a large rescue/lifeboat or as a workboat or support boat for a larger vessel. Just as the Panther 16, the big sister, the Panther 22, can withstand severe wear and tear and sharp object impact. Thanks to the efficient hull shape and relatively light construction, the Panther 22 has an operating range of up to 200 nautical miles. We believe that the input that we have used from professionals when developing the Arctic airboats and the Panther boats, together with the superior material properties of polyethylene, and finally the skilled craftsmanship used when building these boats, vouch for airboats and boats which are truly well suited for professional use.